Okay, good afternoon, guys. This is Mr. Cool, Advanced Automotive Mechanic, today on the Lexus ES250 2009 model. Okay, the customer complaint bringing this car to my garage today is that the AC cools sometimes and doesn't cool sometimes. This car looks very clean and fresh, like it hasn't been driven. You can see on the odometer that is 96,000 kilometers, so everything still looks very fresh and uh, just like I do with my normal routine check, uh, get the pins out and locate the service ports and connect my diagnostic tools, and I'm coming across some kind of a very interesting thing which I've been coming across sometimes with some other cars. So anyway, they have made a payment, and what I have right now is to get the car working. I'm sorry guys, there's a lot of things about car AC fix which someone like me won't just throw out into the air like that. So if you're someone who want to really learn how to fix automobile AC issues or car AC or some other issues, you have to refer to me if you want me to train you. But if you don't want, you can still rely on some of the information researches that is in the YouTube. But right now as it is, one thing which I want to, the best advice which I'm going to tell you guys to do is to keep your eyes on the gauge. Now I got some other couple of code which I've seen here. I'm trying to rectify, like you can see on my scan tool right here. I will have to get through to see how I'm going to calibrate this to get this tire TPMS code off. They check VSC and it's telling me that I have a low tire, which I'm actually having a feeling that it could be that the one of the sensor, the tire pressure sensor, is faulty. So I gotta clear the code right now first, which you see I've cleared it, and it's cleared and it's no more showing right there. So gotta go to the VSC and clear it and come back. There are some other service which I need to perform on this VSC and see if it's gonna work like I used to perform on Toyota, but I think it's still gonna be pretty much the same thing. So for the AC system, I really don't have so much time with me, so I'm gonna be focusing just mainly on this on here, because everything looks fine. The compressor peaks is not a I think this one is somewhat a variable displacement type. Looks like a variable displacement type of compressor. It's really hidden inside it. I couldn't even get my hands out of it. I mean, can't get my hands in there. But guys, you know what, I gotta catch you guys later, all right? But I'm gonna give you guys feedback however it goes when I get it fixed. Right now everything is blowing very warm. If it is not blowing warm, if it's not hectic, he won't bring it to me. And he told me he just bought it recently, and I know most of you guys, you know, they don't send car to me except if it's having a very serious issue. So in this case, he said he doesn't want people to mess with it. That's why he brought it here. So I'm gonna do justice that I used to do to some other car to it and get it working. So right now, I gotta keep you guys posted however it goes. Gotta see you guys later.